We'll guide you through how to fix Java not opening jar files. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a .jar file, and so you're finding you're unable to go and open it and go and run it. We're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this. This can be really frustrating because perhaps you're trying to go and install it. For example, I've got Optifine here, which is a .jar, and this is a optimization tool for Minecraft. So we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing it. Make sure this is full guide in case you go and miss an important method. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you want to go and open a web browser of your choice, whether it's Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, it doesn't matter. Now, we are just going to make sure we've definitely got Java installed. So just go and search for Java. And you want to come to java.com. You can then go and find Java to run desktop applications. Press download Java for desktops. You'll be brought here and you want to press download Java for desktops. And we can then go and click it in the top right. It's been blocked, but it's safe. I've had it before. Then you can go and open up your file explorer. You can come straight to your downloads. And as you can see here, Java is. So we can then go and double click on it like so. You're going to go and get an administrator pop-up, which you need to approve to go and install it. We then get this pop-up. Make sure you agree to the license agreement here. And then what we can do is go and press install. Now just go and wait for this to install. It shouldn't go and take too long. You're going to know when it's finished. It will go and say so, but we'll just go and wait. It shouldn't go and take too much longer. As you can see, it moves pretty quick. And like that, we've now successfully finished installing Java. So we can go and press close. Now, what you need to do is come back to your jar. You want to go and right click on it. Find the option open with. Press choose another app. Then you want to go and find Java TM Platform SE binary. You may scroll down the list, click on it and press always in the bottom left. Then it should hopefully go and run. As you can see, the installer is now opened and I can press install and install it. Now, if you're still running into problems, don't worry. What we can do is do a jar fix. So what you can do is open up a web browser again. You may be wondering, what is a jar fix? Well, a jar fix will go and link jar and Java files together again. Because we definitely know we've got Java installed, so we've just got it, the jar fix should go and fix it. So let's open up a new tab. We're going to type in JARFIX. You can come to this top site here by Johan L. Loffelman. Now, we're going to go and read through this here, but you want to come into the solution section and you're going to find jarfix.exe. Click on it and it's going to download. It's been blocked, but I've used it before. It's safe, so we can click on it in the top right and press download unverified file. And what you can do is come out of your web browser. We're going to come back to our downloads and here it is at the top here. You now want to go and double click on it. Click yes. And as you can see, it's that simple to run. It's now been registered successfully. So you can press OK. And what you can try doing is come back to your .jar, right click on it, hover over open with and press choose another app and you can go and find Java again and press always and then hopefully it's going to go and run and that's it. It's now solved and you can successfully open and run .jar files with Java.